Hi, imagine an hour when India's stock markets glitter like diyas, where trading isn't just about profit but prosperity. That hour is very near. I'm talking about Muhurat Trading 2025, the most auspicious 1 hour of wealth. Every year, as the sound of crackers fills the air, the Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange open their gates, not for choice but for the tradition. On Tuesday, that is this October 21st, 2025, traders across the India will participate in this sacred session marking Samvat 2082, the Hindu financial new year. But what exactly the Muhurat trading? The word Muhurat in Sanskrit means auspicious time. It's believed that whatever begins at this moment invites luck, growth, and divine blessings. For investors, like not just a ritual, it's a statement of optimism, a pledge to create wealth with purpose. The roots of this tradition goes back to 1957 when stockbrokers at the Bombay Stock Exchange performed Chopda Pujan, the ceremonial worship of account books before opening the new trades. So later in 1992, the NSE joined in, transforming this into a nationwide festival of finance. Since then, every Diwali evening, brokers light diyas, perform Lakshmi Puja, and trade for one symbolic hour, signaling the belief that prosperity follows devotion and discipline. Now, let's talk about the timings mark our calendars on this Tuesday, that is October 21st, 2025. Both NSE and BSE will conduct Murat trading as follows. So the block deal it starts from afternoon 1:15 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. and the pre-open of the market starts at 1:30 p.m. to 1:45 p.m. and the normal markets, that is Murat trading, starts at 1:45 p.m. to 2:45 p.m. and the closing session will continue with 2:55 p.m. to 3:05 p.m. So these are the timings. Okay, apply for all the market segments like equity, F&O, currency, and even commodities. For many, this single hour feels more powerful than an entire day's trading. So, what happens during this magical hour? Picture this: when you are trading terminals decorated with the flowers, brokers performing an arti before their screens, and families placing their first order for this new year together. All this atmosphere is pure joy, pure faith. Traditionally, these Gujarati investors used to buy on this day as a sentiment while Marwadi traders closed their ledgers. Today, the meaning has evolved, like it's about sentiment over superstition, discipline over impulse, and the faith in financial growth. Now, should you invest or trade during this Murat 2025? The answer is invest, don't speculate. So, Murat trading is not meant for speculation or trading. Use this hour to take a symbolic, thoughtful steps, buy quality stocks, start a SIP, or even gift shares to your children as a token of long term prosperity. Think of it as a planting a small seed that grows through somewhat 2082 this year. It's not about quick returns, it's about reaffirming our commitment to wealth creation. But before you click that buy button, keep these tips in mind. Plan ahead before you go with a more trading. Pick your stocks in advance. Avoid the hype, don't chase the rumors. Okay, stay with budget. It's a symbolic, not speculative. Focus on liquidity and trade only in active stocks. Think long term and align with your financial goals. Remember, Muhurat trading isn't about beating the market, it's about connecting with the market and emotionally, spiritually, and financially. As we enter Samvat 2082, may your portfolio shine as brightly as the diyas that light up your home. Trade with discipline, invest with knowledge, and believe it. Because optimism is the real capital. If this video added value to you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your investors, friends, and subscribe to more financial storytelling. Happy Diwali and happy investing.